Hi, I am Shruti Kale. Since the time Anu announced this EFT and Matrix Reprinting course, I wanted to do it, but there was too much of resistance coming from the surrounding, and I was wondering how would I do it. But at the same time, there was this inner feeling that this course is going to change my life forever, and that's what has happened. It's really true. Anu has taught us EFT and matrix reprinting in such a simplified and beautiful way that now, in fact, we feel that it is easier for us to do, and it's not so complicated. And it has helped me to understand myself. I've just started beginning to understand myself. I would not say help me, and my beliefs which are obstructing me and my prosperous future. So yes, now all I have to do is apply those techniques which Anu has taught us and improvise on them, learn more from her, and go ahead positively in my life. And I thank Anu with all my heart for this gift she has given me. Thank you very much.